face it, y'all ass. I'll take your girl just so I can smash. Realize she's ugly so I have to pass. Skip class to blow out in the back, I'd re-up on the loud pack. It's advised to stay back cause I'm energized. Don't look me in my eyes cause I'll shoot you in any motherfucker who walks by. You get jumped by me and 6 motherfucking black guys. So word of wise, we should come into selection. That's why I'm rolling my blunts up to perfection. That girl's message I'm rejecting right after she's done with me in my large erection. Wanted to smoke weed all day so I decided to drop out of college just like Kanye. Too poor to sip on some Bombay, but I swear to God one day I'll have a Bombay. Maybe announces that KK on this track, better call Mayday. Complaints I'm too noisy. Sorry, that's not me, it's just a sporty. But you can expect that shit from Chris Cody. I used to be a people person, but every day I worse it. Elders be like, why the fuck is he cursing? Pull out the strap, start dispersing.